Well, welcome back to Gardeners Cottage, and today we're going to give you a more detailed walk around tour showing you the bedroom layout on the upstairs of the cottage. So the upstairs is approached from the hallway. To the left is the snug or lounge. There's the corridor that runs down to the back of the house, the kitchen and two downstairs bedrooms, and then we've access through the front door here at Gardeners. So let's first do the upstairs. We're going to show you around the layout that we've got here. Upstairs we've got a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You come out of the top of the stairs onto this quite wide hallway. To the left aspect is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms and the corridor leading to the back large bedroom. And round to the right is a small corridor with landing, seating area and reading lamp overlooking the High Street at Blakeney. Don't know whether you can get a view of that. I'll have to go closer for you to see. There we go. That's back out onto Blakeney High Street and the residence car park behind Gardeners. If we come back in, let's go through into what we traditionally called the master bedroom here at Gardeners. As we enter, you'll see the arrangement. We've got a large end window overlooking a house called the Birches, which is on Coronation Lane. Again, looking towards the left through this window, we can look back towards Blakeney High Street and over the guest car park there. Your car parking is accessed on site at Gardeners here, so there's parking here for 5 vehicles. This is what we've always traditionally thought of as the master bedroom with the ensuite bath and shower room. It's furnished with a French style upholstered bed, which is king size, twin bedsides with lamps. There's also a small storage cupboard with books in, a dressing table area with mirror, a full length mirror and a small 3/4 size wardrobe. We'll just open that up to show you. It's adequate for weekends and short breaks and weeks. Plenty of storage in there. Also in this bedroom are 2 dormer style conservation windows, so you've got almost triple aspect in this room. That one's looking east and this one's looking north, both with blinds on them so you can darken them. Now also in this bedroom, which is new for 2019-2020 series, we've put a 3rd optional bed in here for family use. This is great if you're staying with young kids. It also gives you the option where hen parties and other family get-togethers are coming to actually accommodate up to 14 guests across a series of 5 bedrooms. And obviously that does bring limitations, but also brings opportunities. We've found some guests very keen to be able to sleep small children in with them. Stops them being nervous in strange houses, and usually that's a great option as opposed to having to try and put a larger child in a travel cot. But also in this room you'll see that there is plenty of room for travel cots without crowding the room. So this is a nice sized bedroom, this one, and off it to the side you have the ensuite bathroom. You'll see it's got a roll top full-size bath at the back, sink with mirror, and then coming round you've got your low level WC, and in the corner your rain shower with wall attachments. So you've also got heated towel rail in here, small seating area to make it more comfortable, tiled floor with underfloor heating, the controls of which are just on the outer aspects, just clip on, clip off to bring that. There is a thermostatic control and programming, but it's set up basically that you can just clip it on, and then you've got underfloor heating as well as the towel rails in there. So that's the first or master bedroom. Coming back out onto the landing, let's go to the 3rd bedroom up here, which is on the southern aspect of the house. You can see if we go to the window, this is overlooking the garden. Going to be quite difficult to get this on camera because I'm going directly into the sun at the moment, but no, I don't think it's going to pick up. I'm going to have to open the window, but we have got child protectors on these, so it's not going to open fully. But there, back garden, you're looking down onto the patio area, and that's the aspect from the back of Gardeners from this bedroom. So if we Come back in and close that window. You'll see in this bedroom we've got a single with bedside and also another painted double bed, giving you options to use this either as a double bedroom or again a third family room. It sleeps 3. There's a mirror over the bed. There's also a full length mirror. There isn't a wardrobe in this bedroom. It does have a chest of drawers, but the only storage for hanging on this bedroom, because we just couldn't get a wardrobe into this one, is a hook on the back of the door. But that's the third, smallest of the 3 bedrooms up here. Let's take you back now out, and before we do the shared bathroom, let's just take you through into the other large family room. This room's furnished with a feature bed, which is incredibly tall. That mattress is sitting the top of it at almost 3 foot off the floor. Wooden painted bed, 2 bedsides again. Also in this room we've got 2 single beds, making this a 4-person bedroom. So ideally a family room again, with 2 singles and the king size. If we go to the window overlooking the courtyard, that looks down into your private courtyard with outside lighting and a seating area. And again, looking back towards the High Street at Blakeney and the car parks. C is further beyond those houses there, going down to the quay. Coronation Lane runs along the back of this property and the birches just behind that, which gives you access either onto Back Lane or down onto the High Street. In this bedroom we've got a couple of seats, some storage in the bedsides. One of the bedsides has been replaced with a chest of drawers to give you the option for storage, but also we've got a hidden wardrobe built in, which gives you absolutely loads of storage for luggage, and hanging rails for clothes in this one. We've also put a mirror on, and that gives you your 3rd bedroom. So those are the upstairs bedrooms at Gardeners. Okay, so that's the final bedroom on the upstairs of Gardeners. So that just leaves one final room to show you, which is the shared bathroom between the 2 end bedrooms. If we go in here, lights on. In here we have a low-level WC, heated towel rail with a single basin with storage cupboard above it, and then an overbath shower unit with a panel bath below and shower screen. Again, there's a Velux window giving you an easterly aspect, and underfloor heating in this bathroom in addition to the towel rail and a simple on-off switch on the wall here. So that completes the upstairs layout for Gardeners. We've shown you all 3 of the bedrooms upstairs. There's a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beds on the first floor, spread over 3 bedrooms, giving families the maximum flexibility in terms of how they sleep guests when they stay here. So the remaining 2 bedrooms and bathrooms are downstairs. Just to complete the tour of the bathrooms, we take you down the stairs, turning left at the bottom along the corridor towards the back of the house, and then turning right. We have the 2 downstairs bedrooms. This is the first of the 2, the smaller of the 2. You've got French door access out onto the rear courtyard of the property here. There's a seating area at the far end of this bedroom with a further window overlooking the parking. There's a widescreen TV in this storage cabinet here. So this can be used as a separate or smaller lounge. 2 comfy wingback armchairs, and then a wooden painted king-size bed with 2 bedsides and lamps. There's also a full-length mirror in this bedroom and a small full-height wardrobe for storage. Now, interestingly, off this bedroom, this is a little bizarre, but this is a utility room. You would expect this maybe to have been an ensuite shower room if we'd been thinking this was going to be a rental property. But actually, what we've got in here is the utility area for the cottage. So that's off this bedroom. If we come back round, we can take you to the final downstairs bedroom at Gardeners. These two bedrooms share this downstairs bathroom. This is also the guest bathroom and toilet. There's a high level toilet there, wash basin, shower rail behind the door. And then round into the final downstairs bedroom. This is the dark wooden bedroom with the 4-poster bed, further king size bed with double bed sides. There's a full size wardrobe, 32-inch TV, some storage below that. And this has its own ensuite bathroom with full-size rain shower and a full-size bath. There's also a low-level toilet and hand basin in this bathroom. So there we have it. Those are the 5 bedrooms spread over 2 floors that are available for guests staying at Gardeners Cottage.